gonna be working on the street sooner or later. It was raining a minute ago.
It is now.
It's where Waynesboro going into Kite, then going through Wrightsville. Drive slow.
So sit.
Well, the rain has stopped. It rains in sections, I guess. We're heading to Kite, Georgia. And we'll stop at the 4-way and then keep going on straight all the way down to Wrightsville.
Steam coming off the road.
Yep. I guess it's gonna rain a little for today. That's another drive around.
It's already rained here.
Yeah. It already rained here earlier. It is hot. What's the temperature?
84.
84. Dang.